Hello, my dear friends. Now, I am continuing with the communication topic. Let's start doing it. See, today I am going to tell you some frequency ranges. It is related to the miscellaneous uh, topics see, for example, voice signal, audio signal, then TV signal. Okay, see, frequency range of voice signal. What is the frequency range of voice signal? It is 300 hertz to 3.4 kilohertz. What is audio signal? It is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Audio signal means the signal which is audible to you. Okay, frequency range of TV signal is around 0 to 4.5 megahertz. Okay, now frequency range of data is based on operation. In case of guided channel, please, these are the questions that are generally asked. Guided channel, in case of guided channel like copper cable, its range is in kilohertz. Coaxial cable, I have already told you, coaxial cable, it is in mainly, it is around 0 to 18 gigahertz, but it in coaxial cable the order is megahertz. Okay, waveguides, waveguides, it is gigahertz. And then optical fiber, it is related to terahertz. Okay, terahertz, this is optical fiber. Okay, now coaxial cable is also used for connection making. This is also used for connection making as connectors, as you have seen in your laboratories. BNC wires, BNC means baynet, baynet navy connector, baynet navy connector. And TNC, BNC and TNC cords हम बोलते हैं ना actually in labs. So TNC is also related uh, with coaxial cable. So this TNC is for, it is abbreviated as terminated navy connectors. Okay, terminated navy connectors. Now, amplitude distortion, I am talking about amplitude distortion. Amplitude distortion, distortion is generally, it is a change in the shape of the signal, change in shape of signal. Okay, this type of distortion results from production of new frequency in the output, which are there, which are not there in the input signal. Why it happens? Due to production of new frequency, in the output, not found or not present in the input signal. Okay, now these new frequencies are mainly caused due to non-linearity of active devices. These new frequencies are generated due to, and L means non-linearity, of active devices. Now next comes your frequency distortion. Frequency distortion. What is frequency distortion? It exists when signal component of different frequencies are amplified differently. When signal component of different frequencies, of different frequencies are amplified differently. Okay, it is caused by stray capacitances and circuit capacitances, caused by stray and circuit capacitances. Okay, C for capacitances, it is. Okay, now next comes phase distortion. You should be knowing all this. Okay, phase distortion, phase distortion, it results from the unequal delays. It results from unequal delays of signals, unequal delays of signals of different frequencies. Okay, as so many signals of different frequencies are coming in the same as you can see, for example, there is a source and so many signals of different frequencies are arriving, but they will not reach at the destination in the same time. They will take some another time, or some, they will cover some other path lengths. Okay, so it will happen unequal delay of the signal, which causes phase distortion. Now what happens, that the capacitors and the inductors, capacitive reactance is 1 upon omega c, and inductive reactance is j omega l. Okay, it is 1 upon omega c. So both these cause frequency and phase distortion. Both cause frequency and phase distortion, but not the amplitude distortion. But not amplitude distortion. Why? Because these capacitor and inductor both are linear elements. These are linear elements. What are non-linear elements? Like your diode, your transistors, your transformers. Okay, now next comes your I'm taking the topics frequently at random. Super heterodyne receiver. Super heterodyne receiver. Now super heterodyne receiver, where it is used? It is used in the AM, amplitude modulation receiver circuit. This you all know. AM radio broadcasting. AM radio broadcasting utilizes the frequency band 535 kilohertz to 1605 hertz, sorry, kilohertz. Please do remember this, 535 kilohertz to 1605 kilohertz for transmission of voice and music. Okay, now carrier frequency allocations range from 540 kilohertz to 1600 kilohertz. Okay, with 10 kilohertz spacing. With 10 kilohertz spacing. For modulation, what we have to do? We have to just impose the modulating signal onto the carrier frequency. Yes. So for that, the carrier frequency allocation range should be 540 kilohertz to 1600 kilohertz with 10 kilohertz spacing. Now what is baseband message signal? Baseband, MT is for baseband message signal. Baseband low frequency baseband message signal, and it is band limited to, it is band limited means its band is being limited, band limited to 5 kilohertz. Please do remember all these frequencies. Intermediate frequency for AM, it is around 455 kilohertz. Okay, now see, I'm just highlighting. Please note down the frequencies because it is mainly asked, like in match the following, or sometimes the standard results are based on the questions are based on the standard results. 10 kilohertz spacing, message signal is 5 kilohertz, and then intermediate frequency is 455 kilohertz. Okay, now next, frequency of local oscillator. Frequency of local oscillator is given as FLO is equal to FC plus FIF. Okay, FC is what? It is the carrier frequency of desired AM radio signal. This you all know. Now polarization. See, polarization is if the polarization is vertical, then the wave propagation is ground wave. If what is polarization? The electric field, the way the electric field vectors are oriented as the antenna generates the signal, the orientation of the electric field vectors in the space is known as polarization. Na? So if polarization is vertical, okay, and wave, then this wave propagation is ground wave. This is ground wave propagation. Okay, now the tuning range of LO is the tuning range of LO is how much? It is 995 kilohertz to 2055 kilohertz. Okay. Now an AM signal, an amplitude modulated signal, remember, an amplitude modulated signal which is transmitted at a frequency FC is equal to FLO minus FIF. So image frequency is what? Image frequency is, you know, the spurious frequencies that is formed during the process. So this image frequency is what? That is, you can say f dash c is equal to FLO plus FIF, undesired frequency. Okay, FLO plus FIF, that means you can say that this image frequency is what? Fs plus twice FIF. Okay, now in order to reject, what I have told you, that whenever the AM signal is to be transmitted at this frequency, FLO plus FIF, then it is called image frequency. Sorry, one thing I have forgotten to mention, that AM signal which is transmitted at a frequency, which frequency? That is FLO plus FIF, that is sum of the LO frequency plus FIF. This is called as image frequency. This is called as image frequency for an AM signal which is transmitted at this frequency, carrier frequency FLO minus FIF. ठीक है, so actually image frequency ये होती है. ओके, FLO प्लस FIF पे अगर हम किसी AM सिग्नल को ट्रांसमिट कर रहे हैं तो दैट इज योर इमेज फ्रीक्वेंसी, अनडिजायर्ड स्प्यूरियस सिग्नल फ्रीक्वेंसी विच इज फॉर्म्ड. ओके, so this FLO plus FIF is the image frequency for the AM signal that is transmitted at this carrier frequency FLO minus FIF. Okay, now see, in order to reject image frequency bandwidth of RF amplifier, it should be very important relation. If you want to reject the image frequency bandwidth of the RF amplifier, then what should be the condition? BC should be less than BRF, less than twice of FIF. Okay, BC is what? It is the bandwidth of AM radio signal, BRF is the bandwidth of RF amplifier, and FIF is the intermediate frequency. That means you can say it's okay. Now next is your FM radio broadcasting. In case of FM radio broadcasting, what happens? That it utilizes the frequency band 88 to 108 megahertz. Okay, the carrier frequencies are separated by 200 kilohertz, very important. And peak frequency deviation, this is your peak frequency deviation, is fixed at 75 kilohertz. Okay, now intermediate frequency, the frequency which is intermediate in case of FM is 10.7 megahertz. Very important, please इसको note कर लीजिए. Here the polarization is horizontal. In case of AM it was vertical. And wave propagation is what? It is space wave propagation. Always remember, it is space wave propagation. ठीक है. In case of TV signal, picture carrier is what? In case of TV, picture carrier is VSB-FC modulated. It is okay. And color subcarrier, color subcarrier is QAM modulated. Remember, QAM means quadrature amplitude multiplexing. Sound is what? Sound is FM modulated. Remember. So till then, today I have discussed some basic points. In the next class I will discuss few more. Keep connecting with me, okay, and please like, share and subscribe, okay. Thank you very much.